Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from 1xBet to your bank account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now on the main website for 1xBet, and all you have to do is first of all, of course, register. So you can click on the register button that should be around here. And so once you are done, you're going to click on the profile picture right there. And then from here you can see make a deposit or withdraw funds. So you're going to select the second option that says withdraw funds. Once you click on it, it's going to send you to this page right here. And as you can see, there are multiple options for us. So you can choose online banking, or you can send it directly to your bank card, which is in your bank account. So you can select that, or e-wallets, or any other cryptocurrency that you have in mind. But for bank transfer, you can either select online banking or e-wallet. So we're going to click on it. And then from here, it's going to show you that the maximum amount or the minimum amount is 150 Singaporean dollars. And so you can change the currency, of course, to whatever else you would like. So USD or UK. And then from here, you can choose whatever bank that you are connected to, depending on your region. And then first name and surname, province and city. And then once you do that, you click connect and you can add your account number, which is going to be your IBAN. Then you click confirm and it's going to send it directly. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.